I saw a 35-year-old creator saying that he's going through a very difficult phase in the life. He's going to have a divorce, and he's having a paralyzed mother and a father to look after, and he has a lot of debt. Okay, so friends, today's video is not about child care or not about some baby problem, but it is the problem that I have been seeing recently. I mean, the new couples going through. Okay, one thing is the expenditure, that the level of expenditure that is being done by nowadays couple. शादी करते वक्त इतना सारा expenditure उसके लिए, then you take a loan. Okay, then before marriage wedding shoot, after marriage wedding shoot, pregnant होने के बाद shoot, baby होने के बाद shoot, baby 6 महीने का हुआ, 1 महीने के बाद हुआ shoot. I mean, we have to really think, is this all necessary? नंबर वन, जैसे ही शादी होते हैं, शादी से पहले प्लीज़ प्लान योर सेल्फ कि इतना इतना आई एम गोइंग टू कीप एवरी मंथ सेपरेट मनी. डेट मैनेजमेंट, हाउ यू डू विद द म्यूचुअल फंड्स और शेयर्स यू सी, आई मीन स्टॉक मार्केट यू सी, और यू सिंपली सेव इट. ओके, फॉर बेबी के लिए रहेगा, इतना इतना रहेगा हमारे व्हाट इज़ दैट कुछ सेविंग्स के लिए रहेगा. डोंट टेक डेब्ट्स. आई हैव बीन सीइंग न्यू पीपल टेकिंग लोन्स फॉर आईफोन, लोन्स फॉर टूर, इंटरनेशनल टूर लोन्स. आपके पास पैसा है तो इंटरनेशनल टूर करो, नहीं है तो मत करो. ओके, पैसा है तो आईफोन लो, नहीं है तो मत लो. ओके, don't take loans for these unwanted stuff. Literally, I have many times parents come to me, and while discussing about the child health, when it comes to many times when it comes to prevention of child diseases and vaccines and all, they will say, no doctor, there are a lot of debts, it is very difficult for us to manage the extra vaccines. I mean, iPhone zaruri hai ya baby ka protection zaruri hai? I mean, I'm not talking about vaccines. If parents want it, they take it, that is their advantage. Okay, what I want to tell here, for a new couple or for those people who are like now in 20, 25, 30 years of age, please see to it that you save for a better future. Okay, this attitude that आज का दिन है, कल पता है या नहीं, okay, कल को क्या करेंगे पता नहीं, जो पैसा है वो enjoy करना है, it's literally not worth it. Okay, few days back I had gone to a goldsmith's shop because I had to get one of my earring mend. Okay, there I met a person who was buying a gold coin. Okay, and basically we were talking. I didn't know him, but he happened to talk because he had seen me online. So while talking, he said, doctor, this money I have requested my son to give me so that I can buy a coin on his name so that he can save it. Okay, otherwise, literally he said this to me also. Okay, otherwise my son wants to buy an iPhone, and I literally had to explain to him for almost 1 month to save the money for gold also, gold or whatever else savings you want to do. Okay, he was not ready, but he is ready to spend lakhs of rupees on an iPhone or on, and he wants to go for a special concert. Okay, I can understand that you require some sort of this thing, enjoyment, but enjoyment at the cost of your future is not right. Otherwise, जैसे मैंने एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर को देखा, आई एम 35 years old, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू अ डिवोर्स, माई मदर इज पैरालाइज, आई हैव टू लुक आफ्टर द फादर, एंड आई हैव लॉट ऑफ डेट्स, एंड ही वॉज क्राइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन.